Gentlemen, let's be honest. After 50, many men feel their body doesn't respond quite like it used to. Pills promise quick fixes, but what if I told you that cultures worldwide have relied on foods and herbs for centuries? Remedies proven to restore blood flow, testosterone, and confidence naturally? Today, we'll travel across the globe to uncover 7 of the most powerful natural alternatives to Viagra. Section 1. Ginseng, China. In China, ginseng is called the root of life. For centuries, it's been valued for stamina and endurance. Ginseng improves circulation by helping blood vessels relax, sending oxygen-rich blood where it's needed most. It also lowers stress hormones, removing one of the biggest obstacles to testosterone and performance. Men who use it consistently describe greater firmness, steady energy, and more reliable vitality. Section 2. Maca, Peru. High in the Andes, maca root fueled Incan warriors before battle. Unlike synthetic treatments, maca doesn't artificially raise testosterone. Instead, it helps the body use hormones more efficiently. Men often notice higher desire, more stamina, and balanced energy. A teaspoon of maca powder stirred into coffee or smoothies works daily to restore youthfulness and confidence. It's a slow build but a steady ally. Section 3. Tongkat Ali, Malaysia and Indonesia. In Southeast Asia, Tongkat Ali is called the tree that makes a man 10 men. It boosts natural testosterone production while reducing stress hormones. This dual action means firmer erections, stronger stamina, and improved mood. Men who use it regularly often feel physically stronger and emotionally more confident. Traditionally brewed as tea, Tongkat Ali is still one of the most trusted male tonics in the region. Section 4. Ashwagandha, India. In India's Ayurveda, ashwagandha is known as the strength of the stallion. It lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that blocks testosterone, while also improving sleep quality. Because testosterone is produced during deep rest, this creates a foundation for male vitality. Men report stronger stamina, firmer erections, and calm energy that lasts all day. A nightly glass of warm milk with ashwagandha remains a timeless ritual. Section 5. Shilajit, Himalayas. Shilajit is a dark resin that seeps from Himalayan rocks and is treasured as a rejuvenator. Rich in minerals and fulvic acid, it fuels mitochondria, the power plants of your cells. This means more stamina, better recovery, and balanced hormones. Men describe waking with new energy and endurance, slowly rebuilding what age has taken. Shilajit doesn't work overnight. It restores strength from the inside out. Section 6. Saffron, Mediterranean and Middle East. Called the spice of love, saffron lifts mood, lowers anxiety, and improves circulation. That combination restores desire and performance naturally. A pinch of saffron steeped in warm milk or tea creates a golden tonic that men have enjoyed for centuries. Beyond the physical, saffron improves intimacy by calming the mind and enhancing emotional connection, bringing joy and confidence back into relationships. Nuts, global. Across cultures, nuts were considered food for virility, and science agrees. Walnuts fuel nitric oxide for better circulation. Almonds provide magnesium and vitamin E for testosterone. Pistachios lower cholesterol and improve artery health. Brazil nuts, rich in selenium, spark hormone production. Just a handful daily supplies the minerals and fats your body needs for stronger energy, firmness, and long-term male health. Bonus, supercharging eggs. Eggs are a natural testosterone food, rich in protein, vitamin D, choline, and cholesterol, the raw material for hormones. But toppings can supercharge them. Turmeric and pepper reduce inflammation, spinach and tomatoes protect blood vessels, walnuts add healthy fats, and even a pinch of saffron turns breakfast into a natural tonic. What you put on your plate each morning can fuel strength, energy, and confidence. Gentlemen, men across history have faced the same challenges, and they left behind wisdom that still works today. From ginseng to saffron, these remedies are not quick fixes but steady companions. Combine them with smart food choices, and you give your body the best chance to restore its strength naturally. Start small, be consistent, and watch your confidence, energy, and performance return.